Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unpack the confusing world of business to help you make smarter money moves. Today we are looking at CXApp Inc, a company that just got a little note from Nasdaq, and let me tell you, it's not the kind of note you want. So CXApp Inc is putting out a report, an 8K to be exact, which is basically a current report for special events. The main event here, Nasdaq thinks their stock price is too low to stay on their exchange. CXApp is a tech company, and like many tech companies, they have common stock, which simply put are the pieces of ownership in the company that anyone can buy. They also have warrants, which are like special tickets allowing someone to buy the stock later at a set price. Their common stock trades under the ticker symbol CXAI in the Nasdaq capital market. Usually that's a good thing, a reputable place for stocks to be listed, but it comes with rules. And one of those rules is that your stock price needs to stay above a certain level, specifically $1 per share for a while. For CXApp, their stock price has dipped below that dollar mark for 30 days straight. Nasdaq sent them a notice about it. This notice means that unless they do something to fix it, their stock could be delisted, meaning it won't trade on Nasdaq anymore. That's a big deal because it makes it harder for people to buy and sell the stock, and it generally makes investors nervous. Now, Nasdaq isn't usually super hasty. They've given CXApp 180 days, about 6 months, to get their stock price back up to at least $1 for 10 consecutive trading days. That deadline is March 10, 26 ham. If they can't manage it in the first 6 months, they might get another 6 months, but that comes with extra conditions. They'd have to show they meet other Nasdaq requirements, like having enough of their shares publicly available, and then tell Nasdaq they plan to fix the price issue. If they still can't do it after that, then Nasdaq will start the process to kick them off the exchange. CXApp says they are watching the stock price and thinking about how to fix this, but they admit there's no guarantee they'll be able to get their stock price back up. This is kind of a direct warning. They're telling the market, hey, we might not be able to keep our stock price up. The rest of this filing is pretty standard stuff, mostly formalities and disclosures. For example, they list Exhibit UNRO 4, which is the interactive data file for the cover page, which is basically just digital paperwork. And then, as always, we have the signatures. Kurumpi Sheikh, the chairman and CEO, signs off on this report, confirming that they are aware of this Nasdaq situation and are reporting it as required. So what's the takeaway here? CXApp Inc is in a precarious spot with Nasdaq. Their share price has fallen below the critical $1 mark, and they have a limited time to fix it. This is a clear signal of investor concern or lack of confidence in the company's prospects, at least as perceived by the market right now. To get the price back up, they'd likely need to demonstrate strong future growth, perhaps announce positive business developments, or even consider a stock consolidation where they reduce the number of shares outstanding to boost the price per share. But a stock consolidation where they reduce the number of shares outstanding to boost the price per share. But a stock consolidation where they reduce the number of shares outstanding to boost the price per share. But a stock consolidation can sometimes be seen as a sign of weakness. The fact that they mention no guarantee they can regain compliance tells us they might be struggling to find a quick solution, or are being very realistic about their current market position. Investors should keep a very close eye on CXApp. If they can't fix this, delisting would be a significant blow, making it much harder to invest in or for the company to raise capital in the future. It's a classic case of a company needing to prove its value to the market quickly. Alright, that's our breakdown of CXApp's latest filing. What's your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description for more community insights. Thanks for watching. See you next time.